Here is Clinique For Men SPF 21 Moisturizer. And in this video, I just wanted to show you exactly what it's like, give you an idea as to what you can expect from it, how to best use it and who would get the most out of it. Perhaps most importantly, I wanted to share my honest thoughts and opinions with you since I have been using this for several years now. Now, the beauty of this particular moisturizer is it's just so effortless to incorporate into your routine. So as an example and how to kind of use it, I have a shower in the morning, I dry my face, and then I put this on. And I put it on my face and I put it on my neck as well. Now, that's how easy it is, and that way you're getting the protection for the full day, plus you're getting all the moisturizing effects, making sure that your skin looks brilliant, feels amazing as well throughout the day. So yeah, very, very simple. If you don't have the time to have a shower, you can always just wash your face over a sink and then make sure it's dry and then apply it. Now you don't need a lot, a little goes a long way, and it has got this kind of yellowy tint. So it's kind of like sunscreen, if you can imagine that. Let me get a little bit out and you can kind of see what it's like. The other thing I really like about it, if I show you, is, so this is what it kind of looks like. It just, let me see if I can, yeah, let me put it here. It kind of massages into the skin really, really easily. And your skin just kind of absorbs it. It's like your skin knows it needs it. And it honestly, it just feels so lovely. And it's not oily, it just feels really, really nice. You get that instant feeling of moisturize. Yeah, it instantly feels moisturized, and it lasts for a good amount of time. It just makes your skin look fantastic. You get that kind of glow, and people will comment, you know, it's that kind of good. And with the SPF as well, it's giving you that added level of protection. So I'm really happy with it. I've not rubbed it in there. I'm really, really happy with it. I love that you can kind of use it on your neck, and you've got kind of two benefits of using it. It doesn't have a strong fragrancy smell or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about that. It's fantastic. I use it every day, particularly in the summer months. It's, as I say, I got this for myself, but it is one of those things that you could buy as a gift. You might want to buy it ahead of a holiday, or if you're going somewhere sunny, that's always a good recommendation. Or particularly if you know someone's got dry skin or suffering, you know, somewhat, or they just want to kind of improve their routine and things like that. So overall, really happy with it. I absolutely love Clinique For Men SPF 21 Moisturizer, and I would strongly recommend it.